Hey everyone, in this video, I'm going to show you how to delete a Facebook page in the Facebook browser. First, log into your Facebook account in the browser. Next, navigate to the Facebook page that you want to delete. You can do this by clicking on the Pages tab on the left-hand side of the screen and selecting the page you want to delete. Once you're on the page, click on your profile picture in the top right corner and go to the settings by following what I did in this video. In the Facebook page settings, please tap to the Privacy menu on the left-hand side of the screen. Next, tap to the Facebook page information under the Privacy menu. Some new option will appear on the right-hand side and please tap to Deactivation and Deletion. Next, tap to Delete Page and go to click Continue. You can also download your Facebook page post if you want it. If you have finished backup your file, just click Continue. You will be asked to enter your Facebook password to confirm the deletion. And that's it. Now you know how to delete a Facebook page in the Facebook browser. If you found this video helpful, be sure to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for more helpful tutorials like this. Thanks for watching.